Hello guys, welcome to my channel and easy one. So finally, Freedogs Airdrop Claim has now been open. So for those who participate in the Freedogs Airdrop, you can now go ahead and claim the airdrop on their Telegram bot. So as you can see that the airdrop claiming started today, and you can see the post which they made on their community group. You can see where it says Freedogs Airdrop Claim is now open. So log in now to check your Freedogs balance and claim it through a supported exchange. So these exchanges are the exchanges which Freedogs are going to be listed. So it's already listed on Gate.io, that is the pre-market price, KuCoin and CoinS. So these are the three major exchanges which Freedogs is going to be listing on the April 15. So you can see where it says that on the April 9, which is today, is the token claim, and April 14 is the deadline for the claiming section, while April 15 will be the listing date. So let's go ahead and check our airdrop allocation. So you can see that my allocation was 59. So I was giving about 59 Freedogs token, and this is not worth it, because the reason why I say that, if you go to the pre-market price, it's listing about 0. Like the pre-market price on Gate.io is about 0.001. So that is the pre-market price for the Freedogs. And you can see that I was giving about 59 Freedogs. So you can either claim your Freedogs either KuCoin, Gate.io or CoinS, so depending on your choice. But as for me, I'm going for the Gate.io because I already have Gate.io. So what you need to do is go ahead and paste your UID, your Freedogs deposit address, and enter the amount of the token in which you want to withdraw, then click on submit. So let's go to our Gate.io, like the pre-market price for the Freedogs token. So as you can see, that is, you can see the pre-market price for Freedogs token on Gate.io. You can see it's trading about 0.00008, and I was giving about 59 of the airdrop token. So to get your Freedogs deposit address, you need to come to where it says asset. So once you click on asset, then click on deposit, then click on chain, then search for Freedogs. So you are going to see it. So this is what you need to go ahead and search for Freedogs. Then you copy the address. I think the address for the claim is BSC. Copy the address. So after completing all the whole tasks, what you need to do is go ahead and click on submit. I've successfully withdrawn my Freedogs token. So as you can see, that 0 balance. So this is what you need to do to claim your Freedogs token to your exchange.